Hello guys, inayos pa po yung yung microphone. Medyo sira. Umulan pa dito sa amin. Nga pala, dayo lang ako.
Ay, kasama pang ulan. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sa Shanaban nga pa pala, pa-shoutout na lang.
Wala.
Welcome po sa vlog ni Joven. Then yung nakalagay doon, Jane and Jovan. Okay. Jane and Jovan.
Sira ito.
Ito nga pala si Ash.
Si Ash.
In-order po nila ako, galing pa ako sa Mampang. Dito nga pala yung namin sa Zamboanga City. So medyo malayo-layo yung biyahe. Pero goods lang. Jamming nga pala kami dito sa bahay nila. Ano bang problema ng mic? Hello ka ng hello eh. Okay na ba yan?
Sana.
Magsalita ka naman sa vlog mo.
Sana okay na. Sana.
Hindi na pag-iiwanan. Yan. Hindi ka makita ng ng mga fans mo ba yung yun.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. Afloat, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Seen and wonder, more sweet morning love, I'm sure.
you still loving me. Looking into my eyes, honesty. Premium.
Bye-bye.